the mini Angel stand mixer. So I'm gonna do the unboxing. It was pretty light when I got it, and I mean, they weren't kidding when they say it's like 10 pounds. So I hope I'm able to make dough. You know, I hope it doesn't shake as much. So this is the box. It's not a pretty box, but let's see. Very light. Okay, so the paddle is at the bottom of the box. I mean, not the paddle, but the spatula. It's supposed to be silicone. It's pretty nice. Here's the manual. I noticed that the earlier model, the yellow one, that's on Amazon. That's where I ordered this from. It's a different model. The name is up here on the other one. This is pretty small. It said it's 5 quart, but it doesn't look like it's a 5 quart. Pretty small. So anyway, the splash guard goes up here. Let me see if the bowl says. Doesn't even have a marking. It's scratching the bottom. It doesn't have a marking on the bottom that says 5 quarts. So this is the whisk. It's supposed to be stainless steel. Let's see. This is the bread, the dough with hook. So it's aluminum, but it's Teflon coated. I'm not a big fan of Teflon, but so hopefully it doesn't peel or chip. And this is the same thing, Teflon coated. It doesn't seem to, I hope it doesn't chip. But I'm excited. I just have to be careful with how I treat it, you know, and not slam it down or. I'm just putting things away. But anyway, I'm gonna turn it on for you guys. So this is the Angel, and I showed you how to put the splash guard on, but there's this lever here. Always use the lever to bring it up, and it locks in place. You can't push it down until you press that lever, push that lever again. But let me put it up. I put the whisk on, but to take the whisk off, you push up and you turn, and it's out. To put it back on, you push up and then you turn that way. Great. To unlock the bowl, you turn it right. To lock the bowl, you turn it left. So I'm gonna try to show you the speed. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then to pulsate, you go. There's a P on this side for pulsate. So again, the paddle or the beater, flat beater, and the dough hook, and I've got the whisk in there. This is very light. I can carry it with one hand. And then also it comes with a silicone spatula, and that's about it. The earlier models came with a cookbook and stickers, but I like this one. It has it's very attractive, but I just hope it does the job. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna make is brownies, but eventually I want to make butter, and then the buttermilk from that make pancakes. But I'll be making brownies. I wanted to show you guys this before I make my brownies. It does this, and there's this little latch here that wobbles. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that, but anyway, let's put the paddle on. Okay, I'm gonna make my brownies now. I usually make it from scratch, but I'll just use mix. Okay, and it requires, I'll just throw everything all in together. 2 eggs, water, 1/4 cup water, two-thirds cup oil, vegetable oil, Okay, and then I'll just, oh wait, I have to turn it on. Why isn't it turning on? I'll use the that scrapes the sides. See if it's catching on the bottom. Just put it back. That concludes this review. Thank you for watching.